ఈజీ లెవెల్, మీడియం లెవెల్, నెక్స్ట్ మూవ్ into హార్డ్ లెవెల్. ఓకే, హార్డ్ లెవెల్లో కూడా యావరేజెస్కి సంబంధించిన క్వశ్చన్స్ని చూద్దాం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, if the age of P and R added to twice the age of Q. Okay, age of P and R and means plus R added to, that is twice the age of Q. Now the result is 59. Okay, next one, if the age of Q and R added to the thrice the age of P, now the total becomes 68. Okay, and if the age of P is added to thrice the age of Q and thrice the age of R, it becomes 108. Then what is the age of P? Then what is the age of P? ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మనకు P ఒకటే సపరేట్గా కావాలన్న, P ఒకటే సపరేట్ కావాలంటే ఎవరిని ఎలిమినేట్ చేసుకోవాలి? Qని Rని ఎలిమినేట్ చేసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. ఇక్కడ ఎవరున్నారు? P Q R, ఇక్కడ P Q R. ఇప్పుడు మనకు P ఒకటే సపరేట్ కావాలంటే QR ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ QR ఎలా ఉన్నాయి? 3 మల్టిప్లికేషన్లో ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ QR అసలు ఏ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ లేదు, అంటే సేమ్ నెంబర్తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. సేమ్ నెంబర్తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఏ నెంబర్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ టూ? ఓన్లీ ద వే ఈజ్ 3. ఓకే, సపోజ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్, we are taking as it as a second equation for calculating purpose. Okay, what is the second equation? P plus 3Q plus 3R is equal to 108. Now multiplying of first equation into 3, first equation into 3, that is 3 into 3, 9P plus 3 into Q, 3Q plus 3 into R, 3R is equal to 68 into 3, 60 into 3, 240, 8 into 3, 24, 240 plus 24, 264 by calculating of these equations. Okay, getting cancelled. P minus 9P minus 8P is equal to 14 minus 8, 6, 5, 1, 156. Okay, next, what is the value of P? మనకు P వాల్యూను ఖచ్చితంగా కనుక్కోగలగాలి. ఓకే, that is minus P is equal to 8 ones are 8. Okay, sorry, 14 minus 8, that is okay, 68 into 3, 2, sorry, 6 3s are only 180, 180 plus, that is 204 only, 204. 14 minus 8 okay, sorry, what is the extra value here? Extra value 14 minus 8, that is 6, now 9, that is only 96. Okay, minus 96, P is 96 by 8, that is 1 2. What is the value of P? 12 years. 12 years. ఓకేనా, మనకి ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏమన్నా పని ఉందా నాన్న? ఏం పని లేదు. ఇన్ కేస్ దే గివ్ ఏ వాట్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ క్యూ ఆర్ క్యూ కానీ ఆర్ కానీ అడిగాడనుకో ఖచ్చితంగా ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ జోలికి కూడా పోవాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఏం కావాలన్నా P అన్నాడు కాబట్టి ఈ రెండు ఈక్వేషన్స్తోనే సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు నాన్న. ఓకేనా, నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్. ద ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ages of H and S is 240. Okay, if twice the age of Seema is more than Harish by 4 years, therefore 2S is equal to 4 plus H. Okay, 2S minus 4 is equal to H. This equation must be substituted in this. What is the H value? 2S minus 4. 2s minus 4 into s is equal to 240. S into 2s, 2s square minus 4x minus 240 is equal to 0. That is s square 2s 120 is equal to 0. This quadratic equation, s square 2s means 12x plus 10s. Okay, 12 into 10 again 120. S is the common, s minus 12, 10 is the common, s minus 12. S minus 12 is the common. Now s plus 10. Now s is 12. Okay, here it is s is minus 10. Okay, always the ages are in a positive value, that's why we cannot take s is minus 10. S is 12. Okay, what is the question? What is the Seema's age in years? Okay, Seema age is 12 years. Seema age is 12 years. Next, third question. The ratio of present ages of son and his father is 1:5. 1:5, and that of his mother and father. Okay, mother and father is 4:5. Okay, mother and father is 4:5. Okay, here it is same value, that's why we are taking it directly 1x to 5x to 4x. Okay, after 2 years, the ratio of ages of son and mother. What is the age of son and mother present? 1:4. That is son and mother x 4x. Now is after 2 years. After 2 years, son to mother is 3/10. From calculating of this equation, 10x plus 20 is equal to 12x plus 2. Now 2x is equal to 14. X is equal to 7. Okay. Now what is the present age of a father? Okay. Present age of a father. Present age of a father is 5x. 5 into 7, 35 years. Okay na? Next, fourth question. "15 years hence A will be," okay, 15 years hence A will be twice as old as B. A will be twice as old as B. Okay, ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ ప్రెజెంట్కి రావాలంటే, హెన్స్ నుంచి ప్రెజెంట్కి రావాలంటే నాన్న -15 years minus 15 years for the present. Okay, okay, 5 years ago, again 5 years ago. 5 years ago means again -5, -5. Now the ratio is only a 4 times. Now 2x minus 20, x minus 20 is 4/1. Now 2x minus 20 is equal to 4x minus 80. Now 2x is equal to 60, x is equal to 30. Okay, what is the question? Find the difference of present ages. Present ages. Okay, difference అన్నాడంటే ఎప్పుడైనా సేమ్. Okay, past లో అయినా future లో అయినా సేమ్. Okay, now the difference is 2x minus x, x. What is the x value? 30 years. Past లోనైనా future లోనైనా present లోనైనా difference of the ages of a same two persons is always same. That is 30 years. Okay na? Next, fifth question. Rajan got marriage 8 years ago. Okay, he got a marriage of 8 years ago. అంటే 8 ఏళ్ల క్రితం, present కంటే 8 years back. His present age is, okay, present age is 6/5 times of his age at the time of marriage. Okay, suppose at the time of marriage we are taking x. Now the present is 6x by 5. Okay, what is the difference of present age at the time of marriage age? That is 6 years. 6x by 5 minus x, that is 6 years, that is 1 by 5. Now x is equal to 30 years. What is the x value at the time of marriage? Now the present is 36. Okay. Rajan's sister was 10 years younger to him at the time of his marriage. Okay, Rajan's sister's age is, okay, sorry, here it is 30. Now present age, that is 30 plus 8, 38 years. Present age of Rajan is 38 years. Rajan's sister was 10 years younger to, sorry, present minus present, how many years? It is 8 years, Nana. 8 years, 8 5s are 40 years. Now here it is 40 years, 40 plus 8, 48 years. The gap between present age and marriage age is 8 years. Before 8 years he got a marriage. Okay, present age is 40 plus 8, 48 years. Now sister is 10 years younger. 10 years younger. Now the age of a sister is, younger means small, minus, that is 38 years old. Age of a Rajan's sister is 38 years old. Okay, now next question, 6th question. The ratio of ages of man and his wife. Man and wife is 4:3. After 4 years his ratio will be 9:7. Okay, after 4 years the ratio will be 9:7. 7 fours, 28, 36. X is equal to 8 years. Okay, now 8 years. What is the present age? Man 32 years, wife 24 years. Okay, full stop. At the time of their marriage, will either the two persons are getting marriage before, after getting a marriage only they are called it as husband and wife. Okay, before X years, they got married. Before X years means 32 minus X, here it is 24 minus X. Before, at the time of, now 32 minus X, 24 minus X ages are at the time of their marriage. At the time of their marriage the ratio is 5:3. 32 into 3, 96 minus 3x, 120 minus 5x. Now that is 2x is equal to 24, then x is equal to 12. What is the x value? Before X years they got married. What is the question? How many years ago they got married? Okay, how many years ago? How many years before Anna, ago Anna same. Ago 12 years. Ago 12 years they got a marriage. Ago 12 years they got a marriage. Okay, na? Next question. The sum of the present ages of father and son is 8 years more than the present age of a mother. Okay, father plus son is equal to mother plus 8. Full stop. The mother age is 22 years older than his son. Now mother is 22 plus s. Okay, from substituting this one, father plus s is equal to s plus in the place of mother, 22 plus s. Okay, S get cancelled. Now the father is 30 years. Okay, what is the question? What will be the age of a father after 10 years, after 4 years? This one is present. After 4 years, 30 plus 4, 34 years. 34 years. Okay, 8th question. Okay. 4 years ago, the ratio of A's age at the time of 4, okay, and 4 years. Okay, suppose let present A is A, B is B. Now examiner 4 years ago. 4 years ago means A minus 4, B minus 4. They give a ratio. They gave a ratio of 5:12 when of the age of A at that time. That is, okay, half the age means A by 2 minus 2 is to B minus 4. B minus, 4 times the age, that is 16. Cross multiply. Okay, 5 4s are 20B minus 16 5s are 80 is equal to A by 2 into 12, that is 6A minus 24. Now 20B minus 6A is equal to 80 at side pote na 80 lo 24 pote 56. This is the first one. Next 8 years ends. 8 years ends means age of A is A plus 8, age of B is B plus 8. B plus 8. 8 years ends of the age of A's. Of the age of A's at the time will be less than B's age at that time by 2. Okay, దీనికంటే ఇది ఎంత తక్కువ ఉంది నాన్న? How many years? That is less than by 2 years. Okay, now A by 2 plus 4 is equal to B plus 6. 2 అటు సైడ్ పంపిద్దాం. A plus 8 is equal to 2B plus 12. Okay, 2B minus A is equal to इट साइड वस्ते 8 minus इट साइड वस्ते 4. 2B minus A is equal to 4. Next 2B minus A is equal to minus 4. The total equation multiplied with 6, the 6 is getting, A is getting cancelled. Now that is 20 into B. 20B minus 6A is equal to 56. 2 into 6, 12B minus into 6 minus 6A minus 4 into 6 minus 24. 12 minus 20 minus 12, 8B. These two are getting cancelled. 56 minus 24, sorry, it is getting plus, that is 80. The age of a B is 10 years. Age of a B is 10 years. These are the hard level questions we covered in a ages chapter. Okay na? Thank you.